F2D in the community, and as you can see, we're at Aston Villa Park today with Aston Villa Foundation. We've got 2 schools coming in to see us, SHIRE OAK along with Holt School. Looking forward to seeing how it goes for their presentations, getting their hoodies at the end of their workshop with us. It's going to be a really good day today. F2D in the community, thanks for having us in. Let's see how it goes, follow me. Honestly, for me and Mark again, I wanted to say thank you again, because we do this every time, we do this every day now, across Birmingham and outside of Birmingham as well. And working with SHIRE OAK and working with Holt over the last couple of weeks, it's been a real pleasure for us, working with Year 8s. The enthusiasm that you guys have shown, the way you guys have worked together, it's all led to this moment where you're getting hoodies today. And I want to say as well, as Mark always knows, I always say I'm honest with the hoodies. If I don't like the hoodie, I will say I don't like it. But the 4 hoodies we got today are actually really nice, so we can't wait for them to give it to you. Okay guys, so thank you again. What we're going to do is, I want you to go into your teams, and within your teams, I want you to plan what you're going to say. We're going to give you back your plans that you done with us last week. We're going to give you about 10 minutes just to sit with your team and just kind of discuss what you're going to say. I know you might be a little bit nervous to do because you don't know each other. So, in that time, just talk about what you want to do, nominate who wants to speak, and then we'll just do it like that. Is that alright, guys? Yeah?
Go team!
Everybody, if you want, when you finish, everyone's going to look at your hoodie, hear your ideas and say, I like that hoodie. You want that hoodie?
Point out the front, they're going to go like that, and then when they turn back, they're going to turn around.
Okay then guys, everyone listening, SHIRE OAK, thank you. So, one second Mark. So obviously, presentation time in a sec, but before that we're going to give you hoodies. Because you're going to present in your hoodies, alright? So Mark's going to start giving them out now. Guys, you want to help them out? Have a look at them, try them on, etc, etc.
Oh, mine's a nice. Oh, I like the material. Wait, that one's so...
I had to make sure though. Jimmy's like cooking, he's like...
So it's that time, presentation time. So the way we're going to do the presentation, we're going to start off from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all you're going to do is come to the front, show them your hoodie, talk about your design, introduce yourselves. Let's start.
Secondly, the hoodies going to look amazing. All very unique to what you guys chose. So whatever you're going to do in your life now, guys, remember this moment because you've done this together, okay? And like I said, Holt, absolutely amazing. You were a testament to your school, to yourselves, and to the community of Aston Villa Foundation in New Time. You were absolutely brilliant. SHIRE OAK, it's been absolutely amazing. I don't think I've laughed and had as much fun in a workshop I was having with you guys in the last 3 years, and I genuinely mean that. You guys are hilarious, you've made me laugh. So guys, absolutely brilliant from both of you. It's been brilliant to have both of you working with us. Thank you to Aston Villa as well for having us again. The foundation has been brilliant. And again, I want to say, coming to the front and speaking like this, even me and Mark, we do this every single day in schools throughout Birmingham, and I get absolutely nervous doing this. Even now, inside, I'm shaking inside, but you have to do this, and it's a good skill for you guys to learn. So you're now going to have to practice as a stepping stone to do that. So again, excellent Holt, brilliant, SHIRE OAK, thanks for having us again. So, enough talking now, picture time.
with Holt then? We had a squad photo.
You guys were brilliant on the day, so I've got one more question for you. Would you do this again?
Yes, to everyone. Everyone needs to have this experience. It's so fun.
Now that's the end of the session. SHIRE OAK, Old School, had a good day at Aston Villa, as you can see. From us F2D, we just want to say thank you Aston Villa Foundation for giving us this perfect opportunity, and we'll see you again soon.